Come on, guys, let's get around. And Sophie, guys, let's welcome Sophie, Alia, Katrina, Zina, and Yasmin. आपको मिलेगा फोटो के लिए लेने के लिए मिलेगा. Okay, guys, we're about to begin. Everybody do a left to right look. Start to right. Thank you. Just 1 second. Okay, guys, now we're going to begin and we'll give you a chance to take a photo later. Can we please begin? Please sit.
Sandy.
Okay, guys, we're about to begin. Can we please request all of you to sit? So welcome all of you to the launch of Yasmin Karachiwala and Zina Dalla's book, Sculpt and Shape. We're here today with the fantastic Katrina, Sophie and Alia, who've all been whipped into shape by Yasmin, and including all of us, Saif, myself, Minaz, and that's why we're all here. So we're gonna start. Okay, guys, we're about to start now, so I'm gonna start with talking a bit about Yasmin. Yasmin is actually one of the finest trainers in India. She has a long list of clients, obviously half of them are here, and every Bollywood star, a few of them are here, and almost every Bollywood celebrity who's trained with Yasmin and has a fantastic body. So what I'm going to do is this time I'm going to give Katrina, Sophie and Alia a chance to ask Yasmin a tough question as she whips them into shape into the gym. So they're going to ask her a question today.
Ask any question, yeah.
Who's your favorite client? No, I'm kidding.
Oh, that was great! My question!
Super, Sophie. I'm very happy with you.
Yes.
Only a very
No diplomatic answers
No,
allowed.
come on now, you have to just tell the truth.
Only a very insecure person would ask that question.
That means all of
You
us.
all are my favorites. And out of everyone, my most favorite is my husband Minhaz. Because it's a journey that never ends, like our marriage. I'm working on him from the day we started, and I'm still going strong.
Yeah, that's a great answer. I don't have as good of Alia.
No, yeah, that was my question.
That was our question. That was like,
okay.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
One.
It's okay. No,
Now.
take your time. Take your time.
I don't know. I think. Okay. Who do you think is the fittest actor in the industry?
Oh, you guys have such good questions.
Actor.
Give me a question.
Without a doubt,
Say it.
without a doubt, now she's also paused.
no, I'm trying to be politically correct.
No.
Okay, Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
Great.
Akshay Kumar, because his fitness is inbuilt. Like, he's fit. He doesn't work towards a role. He's just fit. For me, he's the fittest actor in Bollywood.
Okay, Katrina, I have a question. I have a question for you.
Super. Okay. Which actor and actress are you dying to train, or would you like to train together? It sounded really good when she told me. 1 second.
No, I mean at the same time, like, because me and Katrina are doing Pilates together nowadays. Which actor and actress, somebody you're not training already, would you like to train together?
But
Why would I want to train any actor and actress together when I have it with you and Katrina? Y'all are the best training duo I have. How is that going to add any difference to my life?
It's a hypothetical question.
Ask some good questions, guys.
Okay, I'll ask you a question.
Your turn is done. Ask Zina now.
No, I'll ask a good question. Okay, so somebody that you haven't trained that you think you could make a big difference to?
So I just want to say that they're all three Bollywoods, right? And all their questions are Bollywood based. Like, seriously?
Yeah, because that's what everyone wants to know, right?
No,
Isn't my question a really good question? Yeah.
It's like we love our profession and you love your profession.
Like Katrina says to me, I do not have the time to train anyone else except her. Okay? My day has to begin and end with her. So when you ask me who I want to train, I'm already training
It's
her.
hypothetical. Somebody who you haven't
my
trained.
mind is so
Consumed by Katrina.
by Katrina Kaif that I can't think of anyone else.
I want to tell you, I'm still thinking of a question. Just saying.
Alia, you can ask me in the gym later this evening.
Okay, let me ask you a question, Alia. Alia, how has Pilates...
What about Zimbabwe?
Okay, later.
You know we're really bored of this president joke. We are bored. Even the president is bored.
Okay, let's stick to fitness questions. Alia, let me ask you a question. How has Pilates helped you?
Honestly, I feel like it has helped me in many ways. Obviously, number one being, of course, Sophie is very happy with the way I'm looking. Thank you, Sophie.
It's amazing. I think Alia, I have to say this because Alia started a few months ago in front of us. The change is incredible.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Not at all. Just a tad bit. Honestly, I feel a big change in my strength. I feel like I can look better when I'm wearing my clothes. I walk better. I feel like I dance better. The internal strength level has changed. So I feel like it can go in any direction. Like even when I do yoga or say functional training or gym training, I can push it to a higher level now because I'm internally strong. My core is way stronger than I was 1 year ago. And of course the looks comes in handy. But for me, the main motive in my life would be to sustain this for life. And I feel like that's what you're going to see in Sculpt and Shape, is how to make it a part of your daily lifestyle.
Thank you. So now I'm going to ask Zina a question. Zina, how did you meet Yasmin and how did this whole book come about? We're all really interested to know that.
Yes, well, I'm from the States. I live in California. And about 10 years ago, I used to own a women's gym in Newport Beach. And I answered the phone one day and I got this voice, this beautiful British Indian voice, asking me how to take a taxi to my gym. Nobody takes a taxi in California. Nobody takes a taxi in California. So then Yasmin Kratchiwala shows up through the door.
I went to do my Pilates training 10 years ago, and my instructor said there's a gym down the road. I didn't know how down the road it was in California, because down the road could be 3, 4, 5, 6 miles. And so I called her studio and she picked up, and so I took my little taxi in California. They all laughed at me, but I was very determined. I was gonna get this Pilates thing going. And I walked in the door and I met her, and we started talking, and a few days later she was going to Vegas for a trade show, for a fitness trade show.
And I said, Yasmin, you have to come to this trade show. This is the biggest trade show in all of the world. So if you can get yourself to Vegas, I can get you home. Come stay in my room and I'll drive you home. I'll already be in Vegas. So I didn't quite tell her how to get to Vegas.
I was like a poor little child who'd gone to America, spending so much money on my Pilates training, $150 a day just paying for training every day, going to Vegas for, a trade show. I said, let me take the Greyhound. Vegas is 4 hours away. How bad can it be? So I get onto the Greyhound, and it was the scariest experience. And then Zina says to me, when I reach LA, I got off the Greyhound station in Vegas, and I was holding my bag, and I thought to myself, even at gunpoint, if someone says, give me your bag, I'd rather die, because my passport and my money is all in my bag. And then I meet Zina, and she says to me,
Nobody takes a Greyhound to Vegas. Nobody takes a taxi. Nobody takes a Greyhound. You should have flown.
But I'm
alas.
Indian, I'm not American.
Yes. But alas, anyway, we rode home that day from Vegas. We spent 4 hours in the car together. And it was like we were sisters from other parts of the world. And we've been in touch ever since. And about 2 years ago, she came to visit me in the States. And I mentioned I wanted to write a book. And she mentioned she wanted to write a book. So here we are.
Great.
Sculpt and shape Pilates.
Zina, you've been training